Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to make a card using the July 2026 Hooray for Birthdays paper pumpkin kit. We are going to use the oval, and we're going to use this hydrangea hue with grids, and it will turn into be an easel card. So I haven't got it all figured out, but most of it. So I chose these out of the kit, and we are going to glue them on to our oval. They had you using the little glue dots that come with it, but I'm not very coordinated with those. So we're using Tombow glue, and we don't need much. And gently peel it off my finger. And lay it up. Probably should have got it closer to the top, but that's okay. And we'll do the same with this one on the bottom edge. Okay, there we go. And I'll rub all the glue off my fingers. Okay, we'll be using one of the happy stickers from in here. And let me make sure I get a happy. I'll just peel it off. Make sure all the little inside pieces are out. And we want this as the top. I think we want this one as the top. We will go ahead and put our happy close to the leaves. And just make sure that you don't stretch it out. And then we are going to stamp birthday wishes. Let's see where we want to do that. I think we want to do that on a little banner. Okay, we'll just peel one of these off. And we're going to use Old Olive ink. Okay, let's see. I'm going to move this down so I can see it better. I like to hold it for a few seconds and press down so the ink sinks into the cardstock. And then we can pull it out. And we will use some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. Thought I brought those over. And I guess we should stamp our other banner too. And we'll stamp Hugs and Wishes. I like that one. And the reason I do my stamps diagonal on a larger block is because then it's easier to see where I'm stamping. Okay, there we go. We'll put dimensionals on the back of this one too. Alrighty, so let's add this one to our oval. Make sure we're straight. And then we need to decide now if we fold it this way, we can just add our glue down here. Okay, there we go. And we want to stamp something on the bottom. I think we will do the I think we'll just do the grid. And okay, there we go. And then we can undo, take the backings off. And there we go. Now it will stand up. Like this. I guess I should do it right side up. Anyway, so this little, the Stampin' Dimensionals help give it a little block so it will stand up. So have fun making your own paper pumpkin alternatives. If you want to sign up, you can sign up, go to my blog and hit the Paper Pumpkin tab and sign up. Thanks for watching. Bye.